Have you ever prayed for a miracle and felt like nothing was happening? You trusted God, you obeyed Him, yet you still found yourself stuck between fear and uncertainty. Many people believe that faith means waiting until God removes the obstacle. But today's story teaches us something deeper. Sometimes, God does not remove the obstacle first. Sometimes, He asks us to move first. This is not just a story about water and miracles. This is a story about fear, faith, and obedience. This is the story of the Red Sea. The people of Israel had waited generations for freedom. For years, they cried out to God under the weight of slavery. And God heard their cry. Through signs and wonders, He broke the power of Egypt. He opened doors no one could shut. And finally, the people walked out free. Hope filled their hearts. Freedom was no longer a dream. It was real. But freedom does not mean the journey will be easy. Soon after leaving Egypt, the Israelites found themselves in a terrifying place. In front of them lay the vast Red Sea. Behind them, Pharaoh's army was approaching fast. On both sides were mountains and desert. There was nowhere to run. The joy of freedom quickly turned into fear. The people panicked. They cried out in confusion and anger. Why did you bring us here? Was it not better to remain slaves? Have we been brought here to die? Fear has a way of making us forget. They forgot the miracles God had already done. They forgot His power. They forgot His promises. All they could see was the problem in front of them. Fear always focuses on what is visible. Faith focuses on who God is. In that moment of chaos, Moses turned to God. And God spoke. But God did not say what the people expected. He did not say, wait. He did not say, stand still forever. God said, lift up your staff. Stretch out your hand. And move forward. This command did not make sense. The sea was still there. The waves were still crashing. The danger was still real. Yet God asked for obedience before the miracle. This is where true faith begins. Faith is not waiting until everything looks safe. Faith is trusting God when nothing looks safe. Moses held a simple staff in his hand. It was ordinary. It was not powerful on its own. But when placed in obedient hands, God used it to do the impossible. God never asks us to bring something extraordinary. He asks us to trust Him with what we already have. A step of faith, a decision to obey, a willingness to move forward. As Moses lifted the staff, a strong wind began to blow. Slowly, powerfully, the waters began to respond to God's command. What looked impossible started to change. The sea began to part. Walls of water rose on both sides. And dry ground appeared where there was none before. The obstacle became a pathway. What once looked like death became deliverance. The miracle did not happen before obedience. It happened because of obedience. The people walked forward between towering walls of water. Families, children, elders, each step was a testimony of faith. The same sea that frightened them now protected them. God did not remove the sea. He transformed it. And when the people reached the other side, they realized something powerful. God was faithful all along. This story is not just about the past. It is about us. Many of us stand at our own Red Sea today. A problem that feels too big. A decision that feels too risky. A future that feels uncertain. We pray for God to remove the obstacle. But sometimes God says, trust me, and move forward. Faith does not mean you are fearless. Faith means you obey even when you are afraid. God's delays are not denials. God's silence is not absence. God's commands always carry purpose. If God has brought you this far, He will not abandon you now. The sea may not open first. But when you move in faith, God will make a way.